Are you gonna go by yourself?
Yeah. The first time I went by myself, and I asked him if he wanted to come. She was with like all her friends too.
Wow.
Yeah. And I asked him if he wanted to come. He was like, no, I don't know anyone.
Should have got like a mangina for real.
Kind of. But anyway, guys, I forgot to film, but we got our food, and it's really good.
I was saying you got so excited you started eating.
Yeah. How's your hamburger, man?
It's super duper duper good. It's like, it's awesome. It's like way,
So it's bomb.
yeah. So I'm kind of happy. I was hating on this place when we got here, but it's like I'm glad it's really good because it's the last. My last non-vegetarian meal probably for at least a year.
Yeah. So, you know, I got that. Mine's real juicy.
Tastes like a steak burger.
It's not
Okay.
It's that good. It's really high quality.
Those I got from the booty part, from the cow. And you just tasting all kind of doodle flakes right now.
I like to eat the booty. I'll tell you that.
All kind of,
According to Chris, some girls don't like that.
I can't tell the personality.
I never heard of such a thing.
Kind of like, are they fake?
it's crazy, man.
Why would a girl eat that?
I don't know. She said, ew, that's gross. It's not like she's eating it, nigga. Makes no sense.
I feel like I know a lot of people like before, like,
And then her friend had to jump in. Oh, that's nasty. She don't want her booty ate.
like I haven't really felt it out.
Her friend, she took a video. She was like, oh, she don't want her booty ate. I was like, she's just mad because she ain't getting none.
Probably.
But yeah, man.
Show them some of your food, man.
I did, man.
No, show them, take a bite, man. Show them how white and flaky the fish is.
And it's real flaky, man. Hold up, man. Let's get some good shot action, man. Look at that,
Cut a
man.
piece, man. Look how white and flaky that is. So good. Is that sauce good on there too?
It's cheese, man.
Oh, you gotta
Mozzarella cheese, man.
You gotta explain all that stuff.
Okay, it's mozzarella cheese with this green stuff. It's grilled, and then I got some mashed potatoes. I already ate all the broccoli, if you could tell, man.
Seasoning. It's called seasoning.
Yeah, the seasoning.
Stuff.
Ooh, look at that.
I think you might be mentally retarded sometimes.
Okay. We're gonna take this bite right here, man. All kinds of bite action, man. Bang. Perfect. Let's take a bite. Take a bite and do it.
So damn good. So good.
Yeah.